Ano siguro po yung problema ng country yung gusto ninyong masolusyonan agad kung makakapag-suggest kayo?
Traffic. I don't even know if anyone can actually solve that. Because I think sa dami na ng tao yun eh. Sa dami na ng sasakyan. Not enough roads. Siguro kailangan sila magpagawa ng bagong roads. Pero yung mga roads na pinapagawa nila, it's just on top of EDSA. So parang siguro we need an alternative route but you don't know where to put that. So I don't know. Siguro sa ngayon parang yung traffic kasi ang laki ng ibinabawa sa buhay mo eh, no? Like if you go to the office and late ka ng 30 minutes, that's such a big deal. Same thing with us. Pagka yung thank you, pagka na late ka ng pag-uwi sa bahay, that's 30 minutes, 1 hour, you know, of your kids' time with you. So it's such a big factor. Actually, sana nga, ano nga bang bansa yun na, I think it's in Australia, sinama na nila yung driving time mo sa time mo to go to the office. Sinama na nila.
Wow, dahil parang
kasi nga, it should be eh. Tapos meron din silang mga research saying that mas effective ang mga workers if they only work like ano nga ba yung number of time na kasi ano tayo, di ba? 9 to 5. That's how many hours? More than 12, no? Is that more than 12? 8 hours. So 8 hours kami, more than 12 kami kung mag-work. People are more effective, parang 4 hours lang. Half, cut into half. So, the rest of the time, you're not very productive. If you think about it. How long can you actually stay in front of the
computer
na hindi ka mapapagod?
Correct.
Diba? So there was a research done na parang in a week dapat daw ganito, this is just parang dapat ganitong oras lang nagtatrabaho ang human. Ang human, ha? Kasi more than that, our brains doesn't anymore function.
Nakapagod na.